I got a little box in the mail. I bought something for my milling machine. Okay. This is, I don't have any more pieces for it, but I bought a ER32 adapter so I can use some ER32 Collets in here on my milling machine. Nice, pretty little piece of machinery. See, I'm going to buy some ER32 Collets to go inside here. Just pop them in and screw them on. I'm not an expert machinist. I don't really know what the hell I'm doing half the time, but you know what? I thought this was a decent upgrade just for whatever I'm doing. So yeah, I'm gonna order a set of collets for it and use it in my machine. It wasn't too expensive. I picked this brand because all the ratings on there said it's basically been machined to a much nicer tolerance than some of the other cheap Chinese ones. And so I looked and looked and looked, and apparently this one is got some good reviews. Some of the other cheap $20 Chinese ones are like they're basically, people complain about run out. I'm not really sure what the hell that means, but I'm not an expert machinist, but a lot of people are complaining. So I'm like they say, buy it once and never buy it again. So I found a good company to buy the collets for it. So when I get money, I'm going to buy a set of collets. That's pretty much it. Came in a little box. But that's what I got. There's the little brand name on there. And the reason why I got that, and I'm waiting for my Kurt Vise that I got cheap thanks to someone online, is the post office has it somewhere. Don't know where the hell it is, but it's coming. So thanks for watching, and as soon as I get the collets and thing from the post office, I'll let you know, and we'll start machining some.